inside of this control box. It's kind of like a fan center. It cycles the burner on and off, and it also cycles the main blower in here on and off. See that, Brett? This unit. And I've got one here on the workbench I can show you. It's probably easier to see. So this is that control box, and it pretty much does anything. It works with two sensors. A fan sensor, when the heater actually gets up to about 100 degrees, it cycles the blower on. And when the heater gets up to 200 degrees, it cycles the burner off. And when the burner temperature drops down to about 160, it cycles the burner back on. And the sensors are hooked up to these four connections. And when the sensors get older, it works with basically continuity of the wire and the sensor. So, the more resistance, the higher the temperature it thinks it is. So when the wire gets older, or the sensors get older, you need to adjust this unit to compensate for that. If you peel this corner off, there's two little adjusting screws. The one on the left is the fan sensor, so it adjusts what temperature the main blower comes on at. The one on the right adjusts the temperature that the burner comes on. Typically, if it's a new unit and everything's clean or something, we would have the burner sensor set somewhere around in the 8 o'clock position. So if you were able to turn the screw, I need a smaller screwdriver, but all the way to the left, and it stops, you turn it so it's in about the 8 o'clock position. In the fan sensor should be turned in about the 5 o'clock position. So somewhere around there. There are no increments on the adjusting screws. So